welcome to another episode of that deep shit where we connect the dots. And on today's episode, we're going to talk about the mathematics of religion. Now, when we talk about mathematics, we're not going to use math in the general sense of the term or phrase math, but we will look at some quantitative values, but we'll turn that quantitative value into a qualitative solution in sum. All right, so let's get to it. Shall we? Yes, we shall. Let's see what we got. All right. Give me a second. Fuck is my pen at? So let's just say we take the series of numbers of, we'll say 4, right? Plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Let me get that so y'all can see that. It don't want to focus in on it. Hold on. Now we cooking. All right. So we'll say that equals 10. All right. So then we'll take the series of numbers 3 plus 5 plus 2. Right? We'll take that. We'll say that equals 10. Right? All right. Then we could take something like the series of numbers 7 plus 3. That equals 10. Right? And let's just say that 10, we'll say that 10 is, we'll say that is the understanding of what God is. We'll just say that. Right? We'll just say that, just for shits and giggles. Right? What people fail to realize is we get caught up in religious dogma. My faith is better than your faith. Your faith ain't shit. If you believe the way that you believe, you're going to hell. But here's the thing. Let's just call this Christianity. Christian sanity. No, anity. Right? Let's call this Islam. And for super shits and giggles, we'll call this Gnostic. A lot of people don't know what Gnostic faith is. We'll just say the Gnostics were the first Christians. We'll just say that, and we'll leave it at that. All right? No matter what the belief is, or religion, pantheon, dogma, it may be a long form, a long version to get to the understanding of God. It may be a little shorter version to get to the understanding of God, or what you think God is, the perception of what God is. It may be even shorter version, depending on how far you want to take it. You're still going to get to the same understanding. People get caught up in my 3 plus 5 plus 2 is the only way, but 3 plus 5 plus 2 is the exact same thing as 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Same thing. In fact, you'll start to see numbers repeat in all of the trains of thought or schools. Like, for example, you'll see 3 repeat in both the sequences. You'll see 2 repeat in some of the sequences and not in others. This holds true in religious dogma. If you look at Islam and Christianity, some of the things overlap. Some things don't, some things do. You know what I'm saying? That's just how it's made up. But this is, in a nutshell, what war is based off of. It's just a matter of perception of the same thing. Let's get it together, people. Keep them third eyes open. All right? I shouldn't have to go through all this. This is simple. You know what I'm saying? But for the most part, I understand that everybody's at a different level of the game. And yeah, it's good.